The use of high-performance electronic components in the WLM6EY MCCB contributes to its energy efficiency and overall operational effectiveness. By leveraging state-of-the-art materials and technologies in its electronic design, the MCCB is able to achieve optimal performance with minimal energy losses, thereby enhancing the sustainability and cost-effectiveness of the electrical system. In conclusion, the WLM6EY electronic type MCCB with LSIG protection offers a host of advantages, including advanced protection capabilities and the use of high-quality materials in its electronic components. This innovative MCCB is designed to deliver reliable and precise circuit protection, ensuring the safety and integrity of electrical systems in diverse applications. With its comprehensive LSIG protection scheme and robust construction, the WLM6EY MCCB stands as a testament to the evolution of circuit protection technology, providing a compelling solution for the modern electrical industry.